Want to turn off ambient mode on YouTube? Here's how on both desktop and mobile. On desktop, open YouTube in your browser and play any video. Move your cursor over the video and click the settings icon. You'll find the ambient mode option in the menu. Simply click it to turn ambient mode off. You can click it again anytime to turn it back on. On mobile, open the YouTube app and play any video. Tap once on the video to display the playback controls. Now, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap More. You'll now see the ambient mode option. Tap ambient mode to turn it off. If it's already disabled, tapping it again will turn it back on. That's it! You've successfully turned ambient mode on or off on both desktop and mobile devices. Keep in mind that ambient mode is only available when you're using YouTube's dark theme, so if you don't see the option, make sure dark mode is enabled. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.